Morning, second engineer, third engineer, reporting for watch relief at 0800.
All the machinery are running normally. So already in the logbook, the main engine is 75 RPM, and the generator number 2 is online at 650 kilowatts, and minor temperature fluctuation on jacket cooling water. And at 6:30, and now stable at 78 degrees is already logged here at the logbook.
Okay. Fuel daily tank level.
85% is standing orders.
Chief wants hourly cylinder temperature readings and freshwater generator maintenance at 1000. Understood. I have the watch.
We have a watch to stand review.
Sign it.
I'll go third.
Okay, thank you.
Oiler, status report.
Main engine is running smoothly, sir. All bearings are in good temperature, and lubricating are in complete rounds. No unusual vibrations and noise are detected.
Good. Monitor cylinder temperatures and report if any exceed 400 degrees.
Understood, sir.
Wiper, build status.
All bilges are dry, sir, and all water separator are working normally, and no leaks detected.
Okay. Excellent. No overboard discharge without my authorization. Continue hourly rounds.
Aye, sir.
Engine to bridge. High temperature alarm on cylinder 4. Investigating.
Cylinder 4 at 420 degrees and rising.
Reduce engine load. Bridge. Request reduce speed. The cylinder is overheating. Oiler, go check the cooling water flow.
All right, sir. The cooling water valve is partially closed. Opening it now.
Temperature dropping. 370, 360, 350. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Bridge. Issue resolved. We can resume the speed now. Okay.
Afternoon, third. Third engineer, status report.
Watch relief at 0800 shift. All machineries are normal. We had a cylinder 4 temperature alarm at 0930. Partially closed cooling water valve corrected immediately. Temperature now is stable.
Good response. Heavy weather expected this afternoon. Secure all equipment and brief your crew.
Understood, Chief. We'll conduct securing rounds immediately.
Thus, for any speed changes, stay alert.
Yes, sir.
Ready to relieve your third?
Currently, the main engine is in 75 RPM, normal operation. Temperature alarm on cylinder 4 at 9:30. The reason is the valve issue, but it's already corrected and plugged. Completed freshwater generator maintenance. Fuel daily tank at 72%. Heavy weather warning. All equipment are secured.
Okay, I have a watch.
You have a badge as an relay.
Good work, this watch. Third engineer, excellent response on the alarm. Oiler, good catch on the valve. Wiper, excellent bilge management.
Thank
Chief. Remember, safety and vigilance protect our ship, crew, and environment. Maintain professional standard always.
Yes, Chief.